Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to change Notion to light mode. In fact, light mode is the default setting in Notion, but what if one day you open your Notion and geez, everything is dark? What happened? There may be a few reasons why it could happen. First, you could have changed Notion settings on your own accidentally. Also, someone else could have changed Notion settings just to make fun of you. And there is also an option that Notion just follows your system settings, which is dark. Anyway, if you want your Notion back to light mode, let's see how to do it. In fact, this is pretty simple. Open your Notion and go to this menu bar on the left. Scroll down and here in the bottom left corner you found settings. Click this settings and here you can see appearance and on the right you may choose the option you would like. Here you can see this use system settings which I already mentioned, but if you want to make it light, just click light and voila, you're back to light. Thanks for watching.